Let's look at installing the free version of TypeRocket as a plugin on your WordPress site. To get started, we need to go to the documentation under version 5. From here, we'll locate the installation section and then head over to plugin install. Now, as we scroll through, we need to make sure that our system meets the requirements, and you can click the link through here to make sure that you have everything that you need, including browser versions, PHP versions, and so forth. Once that is cleared for you, then you'll just go to this plugin install section and click download TypeRocket version 5. Once the download's complete, you'll head over to add plugins on your particular WordPress site, hit upload, choose the particular version of TypeRocket that you want, open it up, and then click install. From here, we can activate the plugin, and we should be just about ready to go. We'll just click over to our settings page, check this out, and then the last piece that we need to do is to turn on pretty URLs. So we'll go over to permalinks and make sure that that post name here is selected, or any of the others here in the list, as long as it's not plain. This particular setting TypeRocket will not work under. So we need to be using those pretty URLs. Also, another note, make sure your site contains that last / there. I know some WordPress sites don't like that ending slash, but as good practice, most sites will have this ending / So just make sure that you have that ending slash no matter which your selection is or how you have it set up. Looks like numeric doesn't actually contain the ending slash there, so just pay attention to these. Once you're done, hit save, and then your permalinks will be updated and your TypeRocket installation is ready to go.